Good morning, children. Today is 4th of May, and again I am back with a new exercise, and that is in grammar articles. Exercise number 1, articles. I'm Subhadra Jha, and this lecture is for standard 7th student. Children, you have read articles before also. So let us revise quickly. The indefinite articles a and an cannot be used before uncountable nouns. For example, ink, paper, sugar, tea. We don't use any article before these words and the indefinite articles, that is a and an. But we can say a bottle of ink, a bag of sugar, a cup of tea, a piece of paper. Because you can't count paper, but we can count a piece of paper. We can't count ink, but we say a bottle of ink. Followed. A or an can only be used with countable nouns in the singular number. For example, a book, and or an orange, a year, an hour. See, this is hour, H-O-U-R. We don't pronounce it hour because H is silent here. We pronounce it hour. And a year, because this is Y-E-A-R, we don't say year, but we say year. That's why a year. A is used before words beginning with a constant sound, and an before words beginning with a vowel sound. You know, there are 5 vowels, or you can say vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. Now, the definite article the is used when we speak of a particular person or thing or someone or something that has already been referred to. Like, I saw a boy and a girl riding on an elephant. The boy was sitting behind the girl on the elephant, because here boy is also definite, girl is also a definite, because we are talking about a boy, a girl, and they are sitting on the elephant. That's why we use here the. This is the man who stole a loaf of bread. There are many persons, but a particular person we are talking about, that's why we use the. Give me the blue cap. There can be many caps, there may be many caps, orange, blue, red, white, but I want only a particular cap, that is the blue cap. The is used when a singular countable noun is meant to represent a whole class. The cow is a useful animal. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. We have seen many flowers, but the rose is the sweetest amongst all. The is used with superlative degree also. Everest is the highest mountain in the world. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. So I have shown you briefly that where do we use a and the. And now see, I have solved exercises for you. This is exercise number 1. Can you see it properly? So see, I have solved the first exercise for you. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the, and put a cross where no article is required. You have to fill in the blanks with a, and the, and a cross mark where we don't need any article. So please see, children, see it carefully. 1 to 13 is on page number 2, and then 14 to 17 on page number 3. See, I have solved all the first exercise for you. So, is it visible, children? See, 14 to 17 is on the next page. See, there are some more exercises in this exercise only, that is page number 5. See, again I have solved here. Here there are several sentences given, but article is missing. So you have to insert the articles wherever it is necessary. See, then again I'll turn the pages. See, again here the article is missing and I have inserted wherever it is necessary, and again here fill in the blanks with appropriate articles and put a cross mark where no article is needed. See, again I have inserted the articles and also I have put a cross mark where no article is necessary. See, so this is the end of the exercise of the articles. This is the first exercise I have solved for you people. Again, on this page, here also the articles have been removed from these well-known proverbs. Rewrite them by filling in the missing articles so that the saying makes a sense. These are proverbs. ये बहुत proverbs हैं, commonly used proverbs, but articles are missing. We have to insert the articles so that these sayings make some sense. Okay, now this is the end of exercise 1, that is the articles, and this exercise, these exercise I have solved it for standard 7th children. Okay, yeah, this is the end of exercise 1. Hope you have followed, children. Articles you have been learning from the very beginning, that is from standard 2 itself. So that's all for today. Again, we'll meet in the next session. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.